Hey y'all, as you can see, today I'll be making some Italian beef sliders. I don't plan on speaking throughout this whole video, but I just would like you to know that I got most of my ingredients from Walmart. You will need a crock pot and yeah, I'll have the ingredients listed below. So stick around to the end of the video to see how easy these sliders are to make. They're an easy meal, easy snack, easy something to take to a party, whatever your heart desires for these. So, yeah.